Welcome back to our CRM tutorial series. In today's video, we'll be focusing on the follow-up section, a vital tool for ensuring that your tasks and client commitments are always on track. Whether it's scheduling a follow-up meeting, sending a proposal, or continuing discussions, the follow-ups features helps you stay organized and efficient. Before we begin, it's important to note that the visits, follow-ups, and offers section work together to streamline your workflow. If you haven't already watched the visit tutorial, we recommend checking that out first for a clear understanding of how these features are connected. And once you're done here, the next step is to explore the offer section. You can find the links to both tutorials in the description below. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through managing your follow-ups, including how to edit, remove, and link them to their related visits. By the end of this video, you'll have a full understanding of how to use the follow-up section to keep everything running smoothly. Let's dive in. To navigate to the follow-ups page, simply select it from the sidebar menu. On this page, you'll see a list of all existing follow-ups with options to search through them or create new ones. Let's start by searching for a follow-up using a keyword. As you can see, the only follow-up displayed is the one that contains the keyword in its description. There are two ways to create a new follow-up. The first is by using the New Follow-up button located in the top right corner of the page. The second option is to use the shortcut button at the top of the page, which is available throughout the platform. Both methods allow you to create follow-ups, but there is a key difference. The shortcut button syncs with the section you're currently in. For example, if you're on a visit detail page and click the shortcut, the follow-up will automatically be linked to that visit. Similarly, if you're on a customer's account page, the follow-up will be associated with the specific account. Now let's create a new follow-up using the button. Edit or delete a follow-up, simply select it using the checkbox beside it and choose the appropriate action from the action bar at the bottom of the table. You can delete multiple follow-ups at once by selecting several at the same time, but you can only edit them one at a time. Let's try this. If you've seen the visit tutorial, you're already familiar with the editing process for follow-ups, but we'll cover it here as well. Select the follow-up and use the edit button from the action bar at the bottom of the table. As you can see, all information for a follow-up is editable, including the visit ID. If you need more details about the visit a follow-up is linked to, you can click on the visit ID to go directly to its detail page. In the previous tutorial, we explored the visit detail page in depth. Notice how the sidebar has automatically switched to BiscuitTech account. Earlier, I mentioned that the shortcut buttons at the top of the page are context sensitive and linked to the section you're currently in. Let's try to create a follow-up using the shortcut button at the top of the page. As you can see, the visit ID and the account is already filled in because we are on this visits page. You can visit all the follow-ups made for this visit using the tab at the bottom of the page. On this tab, you can visit, edit, or remove the existing follow-ups for this visit and also create new ones. To edit or remove them, you can use the remove and edit buttons. And to create new ones, you can use the new follow-up button here. Now let's navigate back to the follow-ups page. When we select follow-ups from the sidebar menu, it shows a list of follow-ups associated with the BiscuitTech account. To return to the main follow-ups page, press the button at the top of the page. That concludes our walkthrough of the follow-up section in the CRM. In this video, we covered how to create, edit, and delete follow-ups, as well as how to navigate between follow-ups and the related visit pages for a more seamless experience. Now, you should have a clear understanding of how to manage your follow-up tasks and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Remember, the follow-ups, visits, and offers sections are closely interconnected, helping you maintain an organized workflow. If you haven't already watched the visits tutorial, we highly recommend checking it out to see how these features work together. Once you're done here, be sure to explore the offers section as well. You can find the links to both tutorials in the description below. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more CRM tutorials.